Happy 40th birthday, Winch. A new chapter of your life begins today, and I hope you sincerely deserve all the wonderful things that life has to offer, especially to a wonderful person like you. I love you.
Hi, Winch. Happy birthday. Thank you again for the gift of friendship. Nasabi ko na sa ito before, and I'm going to say it again. There are different kinds of love: romantic love, family love, and the love of friendship. And I am grateful that you have given the kind of friendship that knows no distance, no time, or status in life. I have seen you grow into such a wonderful woman, and you deserve all the blessings that you have received. Success, pati sa love life. Anyway, I'm happy for you. I love you. See you soon. Thank you for giving time nung pumunta ako ng London, and I hope to see you soon again. Enjoy your day, and God bless you. Love you.
Hi Winch! Happy 40th birthday! I hope the year ahead brings you lots of joy, fun, more blessings, and happiness. Miss ya!
Happy 40th birthday, Winch! You're truly amazing woman inside and out. I'm so lucky to call you my friend. Kahit ilang milya layo natin, isang message ko lang, agad ka nagre-reply. Walang pinagbago, Oman or UK, ganun pa rin. So, thanks for the friendship. Wish ko good health. And of course, a future children, or kahit sabihin na natin child. Yun na lang yung kulang sa masyado na nating binuild yung career natin sa abroad. 40 na tayo. So, habang kaya pa nating magkaanak, sana magkaanak tayo kahit isa. Yun lang. Miss you, Winch. Akala ko kasi dito sa Pinas, yayaan pa sana kita magpunta dito sa Batangas. Happy birthday. Love you. Mwah. O, sige.
Den. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Winter. Happy birthday to you.